evening. Tonight, Kern County Public Health officials are explaining how they fell behind on processing test results in the county and how they are now having to adjust to meet the demand and accommodate the influx of test results coming in. 23 ABC's Tori Cooper is joining us live right now from the Kern County Public Health Department headquarters in East Bakersfield with details on how they plan to catch up. Tori?
Yes, Jessica, the Kern County Public Health Department says once they saw two major testing sites light up with a four-fold increase in testing, those test results then flooded the Kern County Public Health Department here in Northeast Bakersfield. Officials now telling 23 ABC News they simply could not keep up. But what's also interesting tonight is that they are also saying that this is not the source to blame for why we are expecting to see another shutdown tomorrow.
We had observed quite a significant increase in testing beginning in July.
Kern County Public Health Director Matt Constantine says a four-fold increase in COVID-19 testing observed at the Quest and Westpac testing sites in Kern County placed a major constraint on public health's ability to process test results and update our numbers efficiently.
As we observed sort of unexpectedly these large numbers of tests coming in, the staffing that we had established previously was inadequate.
As a result of the skeleton staff they initially had in place, Constantine says they were unable to meet the demand required and in turn led to their prediction that once they attempted to catch back up, we would start to see a larger number in cases. But when initially asked if this sudden spike in cases, partially due to an unforeseen backlog in caseload at the Kern County Public Health Department, influenced our shift back onto the state's monitoring list.
There might have been some influence, but certainly going forward there would be also some influence from those higher numbers.
But a few minutes later, Constantine appeared to walk back this initial statement on our high numbers, influencing a shift back onto the monitoring list. After a reporter mentioned that local businesses are possibly now suffering since public health couldn't process the incoming test results fast enough.
I don't think it's correct to align the lab delays with being on the monitoring list. I understand your statement.
He didn't say why we shouldn't align the backlog with why we may be asked to shut back down again tomorrow. But what he did say is that he has since adjusted, retrained, and tripled staffing to meet the demand.
It took us a day or two to reconfigure and adjust and get state approval. But those systems are in place today.
And he says Kevin McCarthy obtained a commitment from the federal government to contract with a company called eTrue North that will also establish 3 new testing sites that can yield faster test results.
And they come with their own mobile lab. So and they've indicated that the turnaround time in the lab should not exceed 48 hours. So that would be a significant benefit to us.
Now, it's important to also note that, again, today we saw another record in positive new daily COVID-19 cases right here in the county. Public health officials now telling all of our local businesses that tonight they need to prepare to shut their business back down tomorrow. Now, they did also say that they are planning to make this announcement public as soon as it is passed down from the state. And, of course, we will bring you that update right here and on our website, turnto23.com. But for now, we'll leave it there. I'm Tori Cooper, live in front of the Kern County Public Health Department in Northeast Bakersfield for 23 ABC News, connecting you.